AI stole my job. It sounds like a headline from a dystopian future, but for many, it's a harsh reality. The rise of artificial intelligence has brought about incredible advancements, but it has also led to significant disruptions in the job market. People who once felt secure in their careers are now finding themselves replaced by machines and algorithms. The stress and uncertainty can be overwhelming, leaving many to wonder what their next move should be. So I made $1,000 a week with it, 2025 method. Yes, you heard that right. Instead of fighting against the tide, I decided to ride the wave. I took the very technology that had displaced me and turned it into a source of income. It wasn't easy, and it didn't happen overnight, but with determination and a willingness to learn, I found a way to make AI work for me. The future, it's always coming, always changing. We often think of the future as something distant, something we have time to prepare for. But the truth is, the future is happening right now. Every day, new technologies are emerging, and the world is evolving at a pace that can be hard to keep up with. If we don't adapt, we risk being left behind, and sometimes it hits you like a ton of bricks. One moment, you're going about your daily routine, and the next, everything changes. The company you've given years of your life to decides to streamline operations, and suddenly you're out of a job. It's a shock to the system, a wake-up call that forces you to reevaluate your path. One day you're clocking in, doing what you know. You have a routine, a sense of stability. You know your role, your responsibilities, and you take pride in your work. But in the blink of an eye, all of that can be taken away. The skills you've honed over the years can become obsolete, and you're left wondering what to do next. The next, replaced, outdated, obsolete. It's a harsh reality that many are facing today. The rapid advancement of AI and automation means that jobs that once required a human touch are now being performed by machines. It's a tough pill to swallow, but it's the world we live in. That's what happened when AI took my job. I was blindsided, left reeling from the sudden change. But instead of wallowing in self-pity, I decided to take action. I realized that if AI could take my job, it could also create new opportunities. It was up to me to find them. They called it streamlining. I called it a wake-up call. It was a moment of clarity, a chance to reassess my skills and my future. I knew I had to adapt, to learn new things, and to find a way to stay relevant in this rapidly changing world. But you know what? I'm not the kind of guy who stays down. I refused to let this setback define me. Instead, I used it as motivation to push forward, to explore new avenues, and to reinvent myself. I was determined to turn this challenge into an opportunity. I adapted, I learned the game, I immersed myself in the world of AI, learning everything I could about how it works and how it could be leveraged. I took courses, read books, and connected with experts in the field. It was a steep learning curve, but I was committed to mastering it. And I found a way not just to survive, but to thrive. I discovered new opportunities that I never would have considered before. I started my own projects, collaborated with others, and found innovative ways to use AI to my advantage. It wasn't just about making money, it was about finding a new sense of purpose and fulfillment. This isn't about revenge, it's about evolution. It's about recognizing that change is inevitable, and that we have the power to shape our own destinies. By embracing new technologies and learning to work with them, we can create a future that is not only secure but also exciting and full of possibilities. It's about taking the power of AI and using it to write your own future. We have the tools at our disposal to create incredible things, to solve complex problems, and to make a positive impact on the world. It's up to us to seize these opportunities and to use them to build a better future for ourselves and for others. Are you ready? Because I'm about to show you how. Join me on this journey, and together, we'll explore the incredible potential of AI. We'll learn how to harness its power, how to navigate its challenges, and how to turn it into a force for good in our lives. The future is here, and it's time to embrace it. The world went crazy for AI. Businesses, desperate for content, websites, starving for words. And the kicker? Most people still don't get it. They're stuck in the past while there's a gold rush happening right under their noses. This is your edge. While everyone's panicking about robots taking over, you and I, we're gonna be the ones calling the shots. Because in 2025, it's not about fighting the machines. It's about making them work for you. And trust me, the rewards, they're more than worth it. This is where it gets interesting. There's this tool completely free that can crank out 50 blog posts a day. 50. Each one unique, each one optimized, each one ready to sell. Now think about all those small businesses out there. They need content, they need visibility, but they don't have the time or the know-how. That's where you come in. You take these AI-generated blogs, polish them up, make them sing, and offer them a lifeline. $200 a pop, do the math, that's $10,000 a day, easy. And the best part, this is just the tip of the iceberg. Chapter 3, Method 2, AI Local Clients. Let's get local. Think restaurants, gyms, dentists, you name it. These businesses are the lifeblood of our communities, and they are always on the lookout for innovative ways to attract more customers and stay ahead of the competition. They need to stand out in a crowded market, and that's where you come in. They're all clamoring for an edge in the digital world. In today's fast-paced environment, having a strong online presence is no longer optional, it's a necessity. These local businesses are eager to leverage the latest technology to enhance their visibility and reach their target audience more effectively. And you're holding the key. You have the power to unlock their potential and help them achieve their business goals. By offering them cutting-edge AI solutions, you can provide them with the tools they need to succeed in the digital age. I'm talking about crafting a killer cold email script. This isn't just any email, it's a carefully crafted message designed to grab their attention and compel them to take action. Your email should highlight the unique benefits of your AI services and how they can solve the specific challenges these businesses face. One that cuts through the noise and offers them something they can't refuse, guaranteed results. More customers, more revenue. Your email should be clear, concise, and persuasive, leaving no doubt in their minds that your AI solutions are exactly what they need to grow their business. You can do this with AI, and I'll show you how. AI technology can analyze vast amounts of data to identify trends and patterns that can inform your marketing strategies. It can automate repetitive tasks, freeing up time for business owners to focus on what they do best. And it can provide personalized experiences for customers, increasing engagement and loyalty. Charge them a monthly retainer, $500, $1,000, whatever you think is fair. The value you provide with your AI services is immense, and businesses will be willing to pay for the results you deliver. A monthly retainer ensures a steady stream of income for you, while providing ongoing support and improvements for your clients. Suddenly, you're not just surviving, you're thriving. With a growing list of satisfied clients and a reputation for delivering results, your business will flourish. You'll have the financial stability and freedom to pursue new opportunities and expand your services. And the beauty of it? You can scale this up as big as you want. As you gain more experience and refine your processes, you can take on more clients and increase your revenue. The potential for growth is limitless, and with AI on your side, the sky's the limit. Chapter 4, Method 3, AI Faceless YouTube. Ever heard of faceless YouTube channels? It's the future of content creation. Imagine this, you take the voices of the biggest reviewers on YouTube, tech, movies, whatever your niche is, and you clone them, perfectly. Then you use AI to write scripts just like this one, but tailored to their style, their audience. Upload the videos, watch the views roll in, and rake in the affiliate commissions. No camera, no editing, just pure profit. The possibilities here are limitless, the only limit is your imagination. Chapter 5, How to Get Paid. Now let's talk about turning this knowledge into cold hard cash. You've spent time learning, understanding, and mastering the intricacies of AI. But knowledge alone isn't enough. You need to know how to monetize it effectively. Because here's the thing, platforms are desperate for AI content. They're constantly on the lookout for fresh, innovative ideas that can push the boundaries of what's possible. Whether it's creating AI-driven applications, developing machine learning models, or generating insightful data analytics, the demand is insatiable. They need it, they crave it, and they're willing to pay top dollar for it. Companies, big and small, are investing heavily in AI to stay competitive. They understand that AI is not just a trend, it's the future, and they're ready to invest in those who can deliver cutting-edge solutions. Fiverr, Upwork, specialized content mills, they're all there for the taking. These platforms provide a marketplace where your skills can shine. You can offer your services to a global audience, tapping into a vast pool of potential clients who are eager to leverage your expertise. But here's the key, don't undervalue yourself. It's easy to fall into the trap of thinking you need to offer low prices to attract clients. But remember, your skills are valuable. You've put in the time and effort to become proficient in AI, and that expertise is worth a premium. You're not just some content monkey, you're a highly skilled professional with a unique set of abilities. Your work can drive innovation, solve complex problems, and create significant value for your clients. Don't sell yourself short, you're a pioneer, an innovator, a master of the AI revolution. Embrace that identity, position yourself as a thought leader in the field, share your insights, showcase your projects, and build a personal brand that reflects your expertise and passion for AI. So charge what you're worth, command respect. When you set your rates, consider the value you bring to the table. Don't be afraid to ask for what you deserve. Clients who recognize your worth will be willing to pay for quality, and watch as the money flows in. As you build your reputation and deliver outstanding results, you'll find that clients are more than willing to pay a premium for your services. Your income will grow, and so will your opportunities. Because in the age of AI, the ones who adapt, the ones who learn, the ones who aren't afraid to push the boundaries, they're the ones who inherit the future. Stay curious, keep learning, and continue to innovate. The world of AI is constantly evolving, and there's always something new to discover. They're the ones who inherit the future. So, take charge of your destiny. Use your AI skills to carve out a successful, lucrative career. The future is yours for the taking. Outro AI Payday. This is it. The red pill. The chance to take control, to write your own future, to not just survive, but to thrive in this new world. The tools are out there. The knowledge is here. The only question is, are you ready to take the leap? Because the future waits for no one. Comment AI Payday below, and I'll send you the exact scripts I use to close clients and start generating real income with AI. The choice is yours.